The title of the project is Design and Implementation of Anti-Theft Module for ATM Machine. To overcome the frauds related to the ATM machine, in our project we are going to implement a anti-theft module for this ATM machine. In this project we are going to present a automated teller machine with using a surveillance system which is based on a embedded technologies. A various web camera is used to the continuously monitoring the surroundings of the suspicious activities like physical attack, fraud and theft. In our proposed paper, we are having a face recognition technique for this verification. It has two types of comparison, that is a verification and a identification. In this verification part, the system will compass the given individual with the who that individual says they are and gives a yes or no decision. And the next one is identification. The system compass the given individual to all the other individual in the database and given a ranked list of matches. This face recognition is very complex technology because it contains fully a software based. And the face recognition will start with the picture and it next attempt to find a person in the image. And it also include the movement, skin tones or blurred human shapes. In the previous system, they have a ATM security by providing a buzzer and alert system. If a theft or unknown person is happening in the ATM machine, it started to make the buzzer to produce sound and it alert the authorized person to secure the ATM machine. The drawback of this existing system is the face recognition is not useful to identify the person. The security level is very less. To overcome this, in our project we are having a face recognition technique for this verification in the ATM system. If a person is entered into the ATM machine, you will start to insert the RFID tag. After inserting the RFID tag, you are going to enter the unique password. The camera here is to capture the image of the person. The face recognition technology started to analyze the unique shape, pattern and position of the facial feature. And next, the person can face of the person will send to the authorized mail ID. If an unknown person accesses the RFID tag, it's also sent to the authorized person mail ID. So the first can be identified clearly. The advantage of the system is the face recognition will help us to identify the person and it provides a more reliable to the user. The security level is high. The hardware component used in this project is power supply, Wi-Fi router, Raspberry Pi, RFID, keyboard and camera. The software requirement of this project is OpenCV and Python. The main thing of this project is the Raspberry Pi. We choose Raspberry Pi because it has a inbuilt camera module. Interfacing a camera inside the Raspberry Pi is very used. Instead of using this RFTX and RX, we using RFID tag. Here they using fingerprint module. To instead of this fingerprint module, we using a face recognition. And Python is used here to for the high-level programming languages for this Raspberry Pi, and OpenCV computer vision is used to integrate the camera with the Raspberry Pi for the image processing purpose. In the future work, we can also implement a real-time video for this ATM center. So it helps us to monitor through the web server, which make the ATM better safe from the theft.